Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are continuing in our method book on the trombone with line 41, Peace Like a River. So this is the longest tune that we have played so far, but we're going to break it down so we can manage it a little bit better. So we're going to start with our bass clef at the beginning. That's at the start of every line. We also have our key signature, which has two flats, B flat and E flat. And then we have our time signature of 4/4 time. We have 4 beats in every measure, and the whole note gets 4 beats. We're going to talk about that. So with the whole note getting 4 beats, half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So the half notes and the half rest get 2 beats each. Then half of a half is a quarter, and half of 2 is 1. So the quarter notes get 1 beat each. Now, I know I said we have 4 beats in every measure, except right here. We only have 2 beats in a measure by themselves. So this is actually a pickup or an anacrusis. We start on beat 3, and here's 4. So we're going to go at the beginning, and we're going to break it down into smaller phrases. So we're going to end in the middle of the second full measure between these 2 Gs. So we start in first position, B flat, go out to 6 for C, skip up to an E flat in third, third again to F in first, and then we have 2 Gs. 1, 6, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4. That pattern happens 3 more times. So if we skip ahead to the middle of this fourth full measure right here, you have the pattern starting right here on beat 3, and it goes down to the next line in the middle of the second measure. Happens again after the half rest in this measure here, goes into the third line midway through the first measure. And then the last time we have it is at the middle of the last measure, third line, and it goes to here in the second measure of the last line. Now we're going to do the other half of that phrase. Starting here on this G, we have G in fourth, F in first, E flat in third, then 2 more E flats, skip out to the C in sixth, and the B flat. 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, 1. If you need to pause the video and practice that section, go for it. We have that one more time, starting in the middle of the third line, first measure. We have this G, and it goes to this B flat, same pattern. The only thing that we haven't covered yet is right here, second line, second measure. We go from F to E flat, back to F. And then at the very end, we have 2 Fs in a row, ending on the E flat. So take some time, practice it, and then we can play it together. So I'm going to start the metronome, and I'm going to start each note with a T sound. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? And that's it for line 41, Peace Like a River on the trombone. I hope this has been helpful. I know it's a lot. So break it down into those smaller chunks. Slow it down as you need to. Look for those patterns. That's going to help. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.